And quarter championship game for the Christmas League of Barangay Alok, Salcedo San Samar. Sagkahan versus Lugsungan championship game, inbound by Roger Waniwan. Peter pull up, wala. Rebound by Del Makabutas. Rojimel Makabutas. Edgar Makabutas. Roniel. Basket.
Paiti para mag-shoot. Ito na break pass to Peter to Padul wada.
Easy layup.
2 points by Padul. Kuya Rutinel. Pass to Kuya Del. Pass to Kuya Rutinel to Kuya Arnold. 2 points by Kuya Arnold. Pakai. Distribusi 21. Labawi 2. Itsagkahan.
Padul. One by Arnold Barnet. To Rojimel Lumadjaw. Arnold. Nabitawan ng bola. Bola ng Sagkahan.
Edson, nagdadalang bola. Edson for 3.
Meron ng tres.
Basket by Makahito. Edson. 19-24.
Edson 3 points.
Sa isang plus 15 segundos. Ito sa salin para sikat ito. Kuya Roniel, pass to Kuya Del. 15 para mag-shoot. Pass to Kuya Edgar. Kuya Edgar to Kuya Roniel.
Crossing the board. 21-24 Sagkahan.
20 para mag-shoot.
Pag-foul outside, time out kami ha.
15 para mag-shoot. Pass to Roniel to Peter to Padul Pulto. May kasama pang foul by Kuya Arnold. Time out.
Bonus free throw. It's good. Complete the 3 points play by Padol.
Score 21-27.
Rojimel, may foul.
Ang tawa. Who's foul left?
Foul si Peter Makabutas.
Makabutas Peter. Kuya Roniel for
3 points na lang.
Rebound by Kuya Edgar. Nakuha ni Peter. Outside by Peter. Makabutas. Roniel to Kuya. Edgar ng paint. 15 para mag-shoot. To Kuya Rojimel for 2. Goal for 2 points by Kuya Rojimel. 23-27.
5 points lead. Sagkahan.
Para may gansihan. Butter. Ang tuloy ni Kuya Roniel to Kuya Rojimel.
Wala nun.
Good for 2 points by Kuya Rojimel. 25-27 talo score.
2 points na lang.
Del ng paparaw. Del tapos makitawan. Paso Daryl to Makabutas Peter for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Del wada. No good. Rebound by Makabutas Peter. Makabutas Peter. Nakuha ni Kuya Rojimel to Kuya Del now. Wada. Good for 2 points by Del Makabutas. Other score, good luck.
Lead lang. 27 all. Roger Waniwan.
20 para mag-shoot. Pastor Roger Waniwan to Peligano to Padul lalamin for 2. Good. 2 points
Nice move by Padul.
To Kuya Edgar again. Pass to Kuya Arnold.
Foul.
Foul by Makahito. It's first person foul. Sigat foul. Good para Hanggapulos. Sigat throw.
Pangalawang tira. Wala. Rebound by
Ball position.
ball position.
28-25. Kuya Del, nagbibili pa sa pass to
Edgar.
Kuya
2 points. Wala.
Padul to Peter to
Roger.
Tinabagan.
Nabahan.
Kuya minutos, 15 segundos. Nakuha ni Odell. Odell to pangabot. Peter. Peter for 2 goal for 2 points. Labaw na ngahaw. Bibiling po sa Peter ng buwan ni Peter. Peter ng drive. Peter for 2 goal for 2 points by Makabutas. Peter back to back 2 points. Kuya Jimenez. Pass to Kuya for 3. No good rebound by Waliran. Good job. It's to Peter. Bailey para mag-shoot. 15 para mag-shoot. Pelikan na dahil negative in 3. No good. Kuya. Good Jimenez. Kuya Jimenez nagpapagaw. Nag-bait. No good. Kuya Jimenez. Padul to Edson. Pass to Padul. Padul ng jump shot. Good for 2 points by Padul.
Sab.
Live ball. Last 2 minutes for the second quarter. Foul.
Bonus, no good.
Substitution.
Nag-retro ko man.
Second throw.
Kadua na ito na.
Siya na ito. Man, basket.
Fighting para mag-shoot. Pass to Pelicano Dahil to Ben Makahito for 3. Good for 3 points by Makahito Ben.
Makahito, 3 points.
Pass to Kuya Ben. Kuya Ben, Makahito. Makabotas to Kuya Roniel. Kuya Roniel nagagawa ng buhay. Kuya Roniel. Pass to Peter. 5 para mag-shoot. Rebound by Kuya Del. Kuya Roniel naman. Kuya Del. Kasama si Ben Makahito.
Unang tira. Basket. Pangalawang tira. Lucky bars. Complete steal of points break. 33
1 minute
so
and 10 seconds remaining for the
5 points lead. Sakkahan.
15 para mag-shoot.
Mera nagtapos.
Makahito Ben. Makahito Richard.
So, airball.
Stats at Kuya Del. Activate ko sa pass to Kuya Del.
3 points.
Good for 3 points by
Robert 21.
Kuya
3 points.
38. Tulog ang duha malabaw ito sa unahan. 40. 20 para mag-shoot.
Last 40 seconds, second quarter.
20 para mag-shoot.
Peter, pull up, basket. Robert,
25. 20 para mag-shoot.
last 20 seconds.
20. Touch for 2. 18. 15. Padul for 2. Nakuha by Peter. Cheese. Nakuha ni Touch. Outside.
Kasi sa repair eh.
7 segundos.
Last 7 seconds for the second quarter.
5. 1. That's the end for our second quarter. We're score up 36-40. Leading score. Sabtahan.
46-40.
Score. Final size 40. Okay. Pati kandidat natin. Upward shot at pressure shot.
That's the end of second quarter.
First